Top 12.
Sultan Kudarat.
Ganda kasi talaga. That's my girl.
And the second, Hina
Pwede nga
Golden
MGIG nun eh.
Showcase winner. And the second into the top 12 is... Give it up for Quirino.
Gandang Pilipina kasi talaga to. Latina, no? Pwedeng kilaban sa mga Latina.
Congratulations to our Pina Voting Showcase winners. We now proceed with the top 12 semi-finalists with... Pasay!
For sure. Grabe, no? Kalahati, tanggal. Ang tangkad nito, super.
You're still in Quezon Province.
The crown can still be yours. You got that right, Baguio!
Grabe rin to, no? Expensive, oh. Pasabog siguro winner dito. Baka gamitin lang na naman si Quezon Province
Taguig.
para ma-hype. Eto, oh. Grabe to. Top 5 to, eh. Ito yung bet ko nun, eh. Medyo sa Q&A lang, eh.
Take your place in the top 12. Laguna!
Yung dalawang Laguna, pasok dapat yan.
The next half begins with you. Muntinlupa.
Win-win.